Okay, so Susie's got me this lovely kit, which is our new MK special kit, and this is what it looks like. And let me tell you what you'll get in it. So once you open it, what you will get is you'll get all the spices for turning our leftover meal into a 3-course fabulous Indian meal. You've got in there onion bhaji mixture, and all you'll need to make our pakoras. We've got Bombay potato spices to turn our roast potatoes into Bombay potatoes. We've got meat masala to use your turkey or whatever meat you've got into curry. We've got some garam masala to put that in, and you've left over for using that for lots of other stuff. Whole spices for the rice, and the all-important coconut milk powder, which you can turn into coconut milk for your curry. But apart from that, we're showing you our full-size kits, but you'll have the small jars. You'll have a mini bottle of ghee for making the curry. You will get a mini bottle of tamarind chutney to have with your pakoras, and a mini bottle of pineapple chutney, which we can use to swirl in for our dessert, but more about that in a minute. So that's what your kit looks like, and you can buy that from the shop or online, and then all you've got is your leftovers to use that and turn that in. We've also got our main spice experience kit, but for today we're concentrating on our little kit.